Amanda Damon, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant here in Augusta, Maine. Today, for this Look Inside the Book video, we're going to take a look at Handwriting 3, 3rd edition. In your textbook kit, you will receive your teacher's edition as well as your student work text. In this course, your student will work on their cursive handwriting. They will have practice writing poems, Bible verses, short stories, and other writing prompts. Let's start and take a look inside of our teacher's edition. When you open your teacher's edition, you'll find your table of contents. Let's take a look at teaching handwriting. On these pages, you will find some different tips on how to teach handwriting. First, we have the objectives for handwriting, and then we have tips on paper position, posture, and how to hold a pencil. Next, we have stroke descriptions. This will show you the capital and lowercase way for all of the precursive letters in the alphabet, with directions on how to write them. After that, we have stroke descriptions for cursive letters. And our numbers. Let's take a look at Lesson 9. You will have a view of your student's workbook page at the top of your Teacher Edition page. Next, we have the materials and preparation that you'll need to do for the lesson. We have an introduction to that lesson for the day. Under skill development, this will be where you will teach your student and show them the different strokes for the letters. Guided practice is where your student will complete their work text page. And here we have an optional activity for this lesson. As we go to Lesson 10, you'll see we have our materials listed again. However, for this lesson, there is no work text page. Your student will just need a piece of handwriting paper. Here in Lesson 41, we'll be learning about Martin Luther. We have some sentences about him as well as a Bible verse, which your student will copy below. At the same time that your student is learning how to write cursive, they will also be learning how to read cursive. In Lesson 60, we have a paragraph about Abraham Lincoln written in cursive that they will copy below. You do have an appendix in the back of your teacher's edition that will include Bible action truths, copies of handwriting paper, a handwriting evaluation, a glossary, and explaining the gospel. For your 2 sets of writing paper, we have one with the dashed lines and one without and just the line underneath for your letters like G and H that will drop down. Following that, we have a handwriting evaluation, and then we have the glossary. Now we'll take a look at your student text. In your student's work text, they will have the cursive alphabet on the inside cover. There's a letter to the parents. And then we get into their lessons. Here, for lesson 28, 29, and 30, they will be rewriting this poem in cursive on their own handwriting paper, which you can copy from the back of your teacher's edition. Most of the lessons are just 1 page. However, there are a couple that go over 2 pages. Inside the back cover of the student edition, there is some guides for how a left-handed or a right-handed person should sit, how to position their paper and their pencil. Well, that is it for Handwriting 3. Thanks for joining me.